What's up, world? It's Ross with Abstrax Hops, and we are in New York City, Brooklyn to be exact, where the mayor is Muslim, the bagels are Jewish, and the hop water is Threes. We're headed up Flatbush to see the homie Josh and the gang up at Threes get the scoop on scaling up hop water at your brewery. Let's get it.
I've always been drawn to hop water because I just personally feel like NA beer tends to lack a little bit of depth that like a normal fermentation would provide. And so with the hop water, it's kind of scratching that itch of looking for something that's not trying to be something it's not necessarily. It's just sort of beer adjacent.
Break it down. It's shockingly easy.
Very easy.
We started hot water in the kettle, crashed it out, sent it over to a firm,
where it's now currently carbonated. And there's less prep than a brew day, because in a brew day, you're getting your mill prepped, you're getting all the grains ready, making sure your yeast is ready, all that kind of stuff. But with this, it's like yesterday we filled the kettle up to what we needed as far as volume wise. It's just like a regular knockout. It's just that we're not boiling anything, we're not adding hops, we're not adding wort. And so it goes through the heat exchanger just like a regular knockout would, cooled down. I think it's smarter to go into a fermenter if you have the available space, because they're actually designed to cool rather than like taking a cool liquid and transferring it into a vessel to keep it cool like a bright tank would do. So having it in the conical fermenter is really helpful. It cools pretty quickly. Like it took us about, like actual knockout was maybe, I don't know, 45 minutes or something. The water's in there, you start carbonating it, you have your positive pressure, so then you go up on top. Here we have 2-inch PRV ports. A lot of tanks do have a bigger dry hop port. Everything's liquid, so it makes it super easy to get up there.
That was super cool too, is like you don't need a man-way door, you don't need dry hopping. Like seeing you do it through the PRV was like, yeah dude, crazy. You can just do that.
This way really helps it to make sure that once the bottle's empty, you know that everything's
in there and integrated. Yeah, that's wild, dude.
From start to finish, even with the terpenes dosed, even with going to get them, going downstairs, all that shit.
Forgetting a bottle and going back.
Forgetting a bottle and going back for it. Getting the citric acid was like an hour and 20 minutes start to finish. And now the longest time is just waiting for it to cool completely and carbonating, which it's just doing on its own at this point. So it's just monitoring that.
Wild.
If we needed to, we package it tomorrow, but we're gonna let it sit over the weekend and package it on Monday.
Because you can.
Yep.
That's amazing, dude. This was such an eye-opener. I hope it's an eye-opener for the folks at home that have read the corny keg process and are curious about scaling it up at the Big Boy Brewery. Thanks for letting me hang out, man. That was awesome. I always love seeing you, bro.
Yeah.
Until next time.